Good afternoon to all esteemed members of Singapore Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industries and Singapore's Pulses Federation. Dr. Chandru, Chairman SICI, and Sunil Patwari, Director SPFL, Mr. Mukesh Jain, Director SPFL, and distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen who have joined from Singapore and India and other regions. Being associated with both organizations, it gives me immense pleasure to join you here today on MOU signing between Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry and Singapore Pulses Federation Limited. Let me tell you some background of SPFL. SPFL was registered on 22nd April 2016. Since then, it endeavored to develop markets for the members and assist to grow business. SPFL proposes to progress by building relationships with other industries, with support from government and other pulse associations across the world. The Singapore Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry is one of the oldest trade associations in Singapore that serves as an advocate, connector, and enable for business to identify network opportunities to enhance their operations and capabilities locally and globally. As an esteemed institution with 96 years of history, and with a majority of SICI members being agricultural commodities traders, the collaborations between SPFL becomes more meaningful. We plan to work with SICI on trade front to expand the activities and pioneer efforts for development of pulse industry in local and international market. Now proceeding our agenda today, I request Dr. Chandru, Chairman Singapore Indian Chamber of Commerce Industries, to open today's event. Dr. Chandru, please.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Rajan Bagaria.
Thank you.
Thank you. Namaskar to all. Good afternoon, my fellow director and director of SPEL, Mr. Rajan Bagaria, Mr. Sunil Patwari, director SPFL. Namaskar. Mr. Mukesh Jain, director SPFL. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Indeed, it's my pleasure and privilege to join you here today for the signing of the MOU between the Singapore Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry and the Singapore Pulses Federation Limited, SPFL in short. I personally like to thank my good friend and brother, Mr. Rajan Bagaria, Chairman SPFL, who is also a board member of SICCI, for initiating this MOU with SICCI. Now, just a little about the Indian Chamber for those of you who have not, understood much the Chamber. Now, our mission is to help enhance enterprises and entrepreneurship in Singapore. We do this through our spectrum of activities and initiatives every year, and this year was no exception. In keeping with our objective of promoting entrepreneurship and internationalization, SICCI constantly strives to spur the entrepreneurial drive, not just within Singapore, within the Indian business community, but also in the global arena. As a chamber, SICCI is committed to serve the Indian business community in Singapore as well as the community at large. With a majority of SICCI members from trading sector, wholesale as well as retail of agricultural commodities, and a legacy of being merchant association, collaboration with like-minded associations like SPFL can foster bilateral ties, promoting trade in pulses, commodities, and economic relationship between countries. Now, more recently, we have partnered with Proxterra, a MAS-backed platform for trading across borders with end-to-end solutions riding on Singapore's FTA with partner countries. This MOU will support the exchange of bilateral trade and investment-related information and trade delegations, and also to promote Singapore as a major trading hub and raising the awareness of Pulse's contribution to food security and nutrition. The collaboration will also see organizing of exhibitions, conferences, and similar events on mutually decided terms. I'm happy and I look forward to collaborative endeavors between our two organizations as we constantly strive to find better and more innovative paths towards reaching these goals. Working together, I know that we will enhance both our organizations and develop substantial ties in the long run. This is even more important now as the world is ravaged by COVID-19 and the business must rethink their avenues of cooperation and growth. Our partnership will be instrumental in guiding entrepreneurs connect to a larger ecosystem and to reap the benefit of the network. I wish great success. Thank you. Namaskar.
Thank you, Dr. Chandru, for those inspiring words.
Thank you.
Now, I'll invite Sunil Patwari, Director, SPFL, to briefly ask about the organization vision. Sunil Patwari, please.
Good evening, Chairman, Mr. Chandru. Good evening, my director and our mentor. We call him mentor, Mr. Rajan Bagadia. We also call him uncle. Normally, we don't call him formally. We always call him uncle. So he's so-called guardian and mentor for so many people around. And my fellow directors, Anilji Junjunwala, Mukesh Jain, Vijay Bhai is not around. We have his colleagues and all the members around. So we have been in agri trade, mainly beans and pulses, over 25 years, and most of our members are established beans and pulses trader. So in Singapore, in fact, when Rajan Uncle was as a director in SICI earlier, we also had a desk in Singapore Indian Chamber of Commerce for beans and pulses represented by Rajan Uncle, and we tried to consolidate and streamline a lot of issues and bring whole trade under one roof, and we did a lot of things under his leadership that time. And currently with his support and other senior members like Mr. Iyengar support, we are trying to reestablish our organization, make it stronger by signing MOUs with different countries and different associations. So together with SICI, we have MOU with two Myanmar association. One is OTA and one is one more association. There, then we have a MOU with the Chinese association. We are in discussion with Japanese. We are in discussion with Middle East, Pakistan. So the whole objective is to share more and more information about trade, because there are limited players in this trade, and more information we can share with each other for the healthy trade. So that's the whole idea of Singapore Pulses Federation. Singapore is a small community, but a very, very large business. We are currently close to 25 members, but these 25 members would be trading couple of $1 billion worth of cargoes for only beans and pulses. And for Indian government point of view, now Indian government has got a lot of focus to increase consumption and production of pulses. Currently, we are close to 25 million tons of production and about 27 million tons of demand. And about 1 to 2 million tons are imported under control of government at the moment. So, and most of the trade is facilitated out of Singapore. For the large, with the large players like Sudima, with the large players like Swiss Singapore, RV International, AgroCorp. These are the major players who have been dominating the trade and who have been leading the trade. So with this, more MOUs, the whole objective is to share, work together, and make ourselves more stronger. And we know SICCI is one of the oldest and one of the most established organization in Singapore, and it's our honor, and we are proud that you accepted us as a MOU partner. Thanks to Rajan uncle for proposing and getting us on board. And we hope we can work very closely on various grounds, share information, share ideas, share our thoughts, and which can be conveyed to different countries, different departments worldwide. So that's all for us, and that's what a smaller organization like us we are. And thank you again for accepting us as a partner.
Thank you, Mr. Sunil. Now may I request Mr. Sunil and Dr. Chandru to sign the MOU, please.
Sure. Okay.
Thank you very much. Congratulations to both the.
To both our organizations.
Thank
yes.
you.
Yes.
Thank you. May I request now Mr. Mukesh Jain, Director, to say a few words and wrap up the event, please.
Chairman, Mr. Dr. Chandru, and my other colleagues of SPFL and other team members of the SICCI, the staff who has coordinated well over a period of this 1 month time and successfully drafted this MOU between the two organizations to reach a next level to some of the extent. In this pandemic time also, we all together be joining this event and make this event successful. Without all the present members who are with us, Mr. Dr. Chandru, Mr. Rajan Bagaria, Mr. Anil, Mr. Sunil, and all my colleagues, Mr. Vatsal also is a president of the OTAM Myanmar is with us, Ms. Chandni from AgroCorp. So all the members, Mr. Sundar, whosoever with us, I thankfully all of them by giving their valuable time and make this event successful. So both the organization and the future level, maybe in the next level, they will reach to each other very easily, amicably, and whatever the trade related, business related promotions, whatever the business we can expansion can go together with each other's help, we'll definitely try to do it. And thanks to all for even the staff member of the SICCI and staff member or directors of the SPFL for their best effort to us.
Thank you, Mukesh.
Thanks a lot to all.
And I congratulate both the organizations, and especially thanks to Mr. Chandru to giving this lead and helping us to form this joint venture.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Both the organization great success and fruitful collaboration in future.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Namaskar.